everyone and welcome back to my channel, myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to just talk about the exam is just around the corner, and today in this video I am gonna talk about the top 10 last minute tips regarding this exam, so as you can crack this exam easily. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Tip number 1. Don't start anything new. First thing first is, whatever topic you know or you learn, revise that topic, because revision builds the confidence. If you start any new topic, definitely that will gonna stress you about something new which you don't know. So better you can revise whatever the notes or topics you have gone through till now in your MDS examination or the INICET preparation, right? Second tip is always focus on the high yield notes and high yield topics. There is a list of the important topics of the INICET MDS examination. It is available in the PDF form. You can take that PDF if you want to and go through the topic which is listed in that PDF. At least in your revision, you can go through it once through the pharmacology, dental materials, microbiology and many other subjects of dentistry. So this will gonna help you, and if you want that important topic list PDF for the INICET MDS examination, this is the WhatsApp number which is shown on your screen. You can just WhatsApp us on this given number. My team will gonna help you with the same. Definitely that PDF is minimally paid, but that will gonna help you to make your revision build strong. Third important thing is, go through your notes or at least go through the mnemonics, so that you can remember the things more faster during the exam time period, right? So if you want the mnemonics also, we have pharmacology mnemonics also, oral pathology mnemonics also, oral medicine and radiology mnemonic also. All are in the online PDF form. You can take even the offline also if you want to. So this is the WhatsApp number again, and you can just DM us on the WhatsApp which is shown on your screen, and take the mnemonic PDF if you want to, and at least go through it once so that you can remember at least the pharmacology or the tough subject during the examination. This is fourth tip is, revise previous year question papers of INICET. Don't just revise the previous year question paper, at least you can go through, see the pattern of the examination or the paper of INICET and see the logic behind it and try to understand that logic. So revision of the previous year question paper is very important. Now there is one more pro tip which I am gonna add you, that if you are done with the INICET past papers, right? So at least go through the NEET MDS past papers, because in the previous year we come across that many questions come from the NEET MDS past papers in the INICET MDS examination. So you can go through INICET past paper also as well as the NEET MDS past papers. Total 46-47 PDFs are there which are available in the online PDF form, and if you want the PDF, this is the WhatsApp number which is shown on your screen. You can just DM us there on the WhatsApp and get the PDF if you want to, whether the INICET exam paper or the NEET MDS exam paper, right? Next important tip is, avoid the distraction or avoid social media. For a certain period of time, like the last few days are left, so it's better you avoid the distraction so as you can focus on the topic and focus on the upcoming examination, which is very important. Next important tip is, manage your time during the examination. This is the timer which is available, because INICET MDS examination as well as the NEET MDS examination, both are the timer based examination. So whenever you give a test or whenever you practice the mock test or grand test or a test series, at least practice it with the timer. So this timer is also available. You can just have it on your address on your home, like free delivery is there, so you can order this timer from us if you want to, and do practice the MCQ with the help of this timer. Next important point is, need to be positive, because positive mindset will let you know the better recall of the things, of the topics, of the material which you have studied, which you have prepared, no matter whatever the exam we have, whether it's NEET, MDS, whether it's INICET examination. So positive mindset is the another important topic which is very, very important. Next tip is the stay healthy, eat light and just relax your mind, because a relaxed mind is better than a tired mind, right? It will work more better in the examination than the tired mind. Now the second last tip is, you need one day before the examination, check your IDs, check your admit card, check where is your center is, reach it priorly. If it is very far from your place, at least manage the things accordingly so that there is no stressful condition just before the exam, right? Last step is manage your time along with the timer during the exam time period. Read the question carefully. If you have any kind of the stressful situation during the examination, be positive, make your mind positive that you will do it, you will know this, you will do it and you will crack this exam easily. So that's all about the today's video regarding the last minute tips and tricks regarding the INICET MDS November 2025 examination. All the very best for your examination. Good luck. Thank you for watching.